Transform your hair game with the AirStyler hairdryer brush. Say hello to the AirStyler hairdryer brush, your 6-in-1 beauty essential. Whether you're curling, straightening, or adding volume, this ionic-powered tool gives every strand a salon-worthy finish. And with a 38 m/s high-speed airflow, styling has never been faster. The Coanda Effect technology wraps and curls hair gently, while 3 billion negative ions lock in moisture, leaving your hair healthy and shiny. Smart temperature control ensures heat safety, making it perfect for all hair types. Stop settling for less. Order the AirStyler hairdryer brush today through Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/dp/b0d5cr16tn, and let every day be a perfect hair day.